Good morning, girlies. Gossip Girl here. Welcome to episode 1 of Solo Date Diaries, featuring a girl who loves to dilly-dally on her days off to try new things. First
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm so excited because we're going to Diani and I'll be vlogging each and every single seat. So buckle up, buckle up. This is the expressway, by the way, and it's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. And be ready for me saying everything is pretty, because indeed everything is pretty. Yeah, this is so 7:30 and I'm so late. The train leaves at 8 and checkout is another stressful thing. Yeah, we have finally arrived at the SGR station Nairobi, and I'm so scared, y'all. This is my first time traveling to the coast alone. This is cutie. She's so cute and she's so pink. I love pink. This is me, guys, and I'm walking so confidently, but deep down I'm like, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Yeah, and this is literally how this gel looks, and this is for Suswa. We need to hurry up. Oh yeah, my heart was pounding. And you know, this chair don't want for nobody. When it literally reaches it leaves. So I was kind of like, I need to be inside. Look for my seat, find out my coach. This is inside. But I was sitting in the 2 seats, but not the 3 ones. Yeah, this chair has left. I love the sceneries because I was sitting at the window and I saw each and every single creature. Kenya is so beautiful, guys. I don't know, but Kenya is such a beautiful place. So pretty. This is now the Kibwezi station.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirl.
When I tell you I didn't sleep even a single minute, I was really enjoying the view. I feel like sitting at the window is kind of like window therapy. Is that a word? But I think it is. Now we have literally reached at the Mombasa terminus. Here my heart was pounding so bad because I'm like, where am I supposed to find my driver? There are a lot of people here. Everybody is pacing, trying to find a way to leave this terminus because and it's so hot. It's so hot. But literally I found her. Now we are heading to Diani. This is the Nyeri Bridge. It's so pretty, guys. And it's about 40 to 1 hour, but I guess we arrived in 1 hour time and it was so pretty. This is the next day. We are going to the beach, guys. More and more palm trees. I feel like palm trees is such a very aesthetic thing to have in your compound. They give so rich anti-aesthetics. I think I have one. Those are my nails. Neptune Paradise. This is such a cute hotel. Yeah, see the World Cup. So cute, actually. This hotel, as I was saying, it is so big and it's so pretty. Now we have arrived at our hotel. So cute. See that swimming pool was so deep. And someone who don't know how to swim, oh please spare me. Yeah, yep. This is your sign to literally come to Diani, guys. No going anywhere else apart from Diani because they're so pretty. The ocean today, they have a lot of people to such a me vibe. I love it. Pasty, so pretty, so pretty. Wow, wow, just wow. Look at me there. I look so pretty.
Crisscross.
We're so happy. Honestly, this is so unreal, and God is so creative and so powerful. Cause down is such a great place, like creativity, because I was like, what the hell, these people have stamina, because you can't carry to, like, this is just creativity on its own. And I was so happy watching them. It's such a good, I don't know whatever they're doing, but it was so nice, guys. They're so creative.
Through dropping famine, natural disasters, my baby is been around.
They gave us a show. When I tell you a show, that literally so impressive, really, really impressive. Young boys hustling. This is so creative. This dog is called Ruto, guys. Yeah, the name of this dog is Ruto, and it carries this ball everywhere.
Body to body like you do, I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you.